Another menu command that can be very effective depending upon the image is find edges in the filter menu. So let's go ahead and set up that keyboard shortcut. Look in filter, gonna have to scroll down because it is in the stylize menu, and find edges right here. Control Option Command E for edges. Had to think for a second. Let's go ahead and accept that and go ahead and save it. And I want to show you that I messed up and I thought I clicked on the demo keys and I actually made a modified version. You know, nobody's perfect. If that happens to you, just keep working in your file, whatever you named your keyboard shortcuts, and go ahead and save that, replacing it. Got it?